you're going to learn on how to draw those, those very... The temperature is rising here, it's just me, you know? You're going to learn how to draw those very simple characters, those very those very impressive and incredible line art characters.
Male anime comic character, Moana, Korean comic.
Those things that you read and that's very family friendly. Let's go through the tutorial. Hit a like and subscribe if you want more content like that. But let's begin with what we really need to say. You have ever been trying to draw and the eyes like one bigger than another, or it's just looking like Midoriya, and it's looking like Midoriya, it's like looking like, hey, it doesn't look Zangs at all. It's looking more like it's a protagonist of a shonen, but you wanted him to look like those comic characters. We are going to pass through many steps that you gotta do a checklist to be sure that your character is going very First things first, you get your reference. I got very important reference first to work here. When you're having your references, you gotta adapt your eyes to understand like, hey, what the freak is going on here that is making all of them just get the attention of people? So here we gotta think. Eyes with a little that are not extremely open. That's the first thing that I noticed. People enjoy so much the eyes when they are not extremely open. They prefer the eyes almost totally closed, okay? They prefer the eyes like, They prefer the eyes like, yeah, I'm so hot. Look at my eyes. I'm so hot. And not small on the side, it's more like on the openings, like it's not as open at all. Another thing that we can notice here, also talking about eyes, they tend to make below the eyes some kind of saturated color or stronger, a darker color. You can notice here in this eye also darker, this eye more saturated, this eye more darker and saturated, this eye darker saturated, this one the whole face, this one the whole face, and a little bit here below. I can see this detail. I can see that. Okay, so below eyes dark. People like people that have been sleep deprived and have dark circles around the Don't do too much. Do the amount that you wanna do, okay? Do the amount that you wanna do. This is a formula, okay, guys? When I'm saying that it's a formula, it's a formula. That's something that you can learn. Okay, another thing that we notice here. Do you notice the chin is not like the normal anime one, like it's like something that is going to just kill you? This thing here on normal anime is probably going to kill you. This chin right here is going to kill you, and these chins here are a little bit more realistic. A little bit. What do I mean by that? This chin is a little bit thicker. So when doing chin, thicker chin. And also the format of the face tends to be very squarish. What do I mean by that? It's hard for you to find this type of character that we are drawing here with a more round face. This type here is much more squarish. You can see the hard lines here. Wee. It's all hard lines. And about the neck, all of them have the muscles. You can see clearly their muscles. I think that's some kind of fetish bajanga that they love to show the muscles on the neck. They don't add as much details to the nose. Nose is not something that they want to call as much attention. Why? Normally on those comics, on this type of content, they prefer the mouth and the eyes to be calling attention. You can notice like a pattern that nose never calls as much attention, never get as much shadows, never get as much details or anything. Because they want you looking here and here. Here an example, the nose already almost vanished. And the nose, you can notice here. If you look clearly, that if you connect it, it's going to become a bird flying. So the nose can be a bird flying. Without a bird, with only the wings, okay? But you can also do this one that is just like, hey, 2 random lines. It doesn't really have a specific formula. Just by doing the 2 sides of the nose, it's already a huge step. And there is also a famous one that people do. That is this one. You do the base and 1 nostril. Only one. And then you just go up, swish. Yeah, pretty much that. Just be careful to not make your nose too much realistic or too much non-realistic, too pointy. And those lines here in the middle are just to indicate, like, hey, the nose is here, okay? You don't literally have to do them. Just do them if you feel like doing it. Like here, in this case, it doesn't have it. Normally the mouth tends not to be something like the whole face is like here. And the smile is like, small. No, you don't do small. Small smile. You tend to really do the size of a life smile. Of a real life smile. Or you make the size a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger or equal, but you don't do small. You don't. If you want it to look the meaning of this tutorial, that is to draw a simple character, that is to draw a hot enemy character, yeah, you gotta be doing a big mouth. And remember, lips position. And normally people love to see them smiling, so you can just go like shwee, shwee. Always remember that the two sides of the smile are stronger. They are stronger. They are. And lower lip tends to appear a lot. And about lips, you guys can check out my lip tutorial. But remember, one side of the lip, a little meat thing, and then another side of the lip. And then here, lower lip, upper lip, and here the other side of the lip. There is like a real thing happening. A real thing that people love so much. Hair so close to the eyes. People see it like, oh my, he's freaking me right now. Or something like that. I don't know what people think. But they love it in another level. Okay, that's all that I know. They love it in another level. People have trouble with ears. Ears, by the way, let me show you the bending. You do the normal basic format of the ear. Lower here down, okay. There is the most important shape, this one. This triangular shape here, okay. This is the most important one. And then it goes up, but you don't connect it, okay? Don't connect it. And then you keep going up, bend. And now from here, you're going to do another one falling down, another one falling down. And this one's going to connect here, and just almost connect. And go down like this. Yeah, like this. Whee. I'm going to start with what? Do you know what? Do you know what? The basic shapes. We gotta remember the basic shapes, guys. I'm going to do the normal circle that everybody knows, okay? I'm going to do the face inclined, so my main line of the eyes is going to be inclined. We are not going to do any details. You just gotta get the perspective right. The middle part of the face is going to be right here. Spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Neck, you know, round shape. And remember to not do it like extremely thick. Only if it's like some kind of character on steroid, you can do that thick. But also be careful to not do that too slim. Go on and take your aim. I just did basic shapes. So okay, first step, I did a round shape and decided by this cross right here, which is the angle that the face is going to be. Okay, and then I already started doing the face format square, but I did not all the bending points. I just did like basic, like basic ear, head, neck, basic, only basic to understand like, hey, is this size good? Am I not going to regret it? No, so this is excellent. First things we're gonna apply, eyes. Remember, very closed eyes. First thing here, lower eyelid, curvature like this, upper eyelid, curvature like this. Gotta find a way to change.
had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things.
You can see some clotheslines to the eye too. Some clotheslines. So don't be shy, do some clotheslines too. Like this.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance.
Now I'm going to look at the face format and go like, oh hey, the squared thing that I said. Oh hey, not such a strong line, Benny. It's not such a strong line. It's more soft to just going down line here too. Just a soft going down line. I'm going for the hair right now. You can turn a normal face into a dramatic face. I prefer to say dramatic face. You just go here and do this. That's it. Now I have a very hard expression, you know?
Living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
So people like a lot cat and wolf dog characters. Don't know why. Don't know why. You know why? I never drew it in my entire life. I never. So we're going to do it.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Thin hairlines, okay? A lot. And messy hair. People love messy hair, okay? Messy hair is the thing, guys. Messy. And the other ear. Do you see this angle the eyes are doing? You're going to do the same with the ear.
could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11.
To do the mouth, I want you to do some kind of smile where he's showing his teeth.
What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.
Remember, eye curvature, nose going straight down, don't think too much on the nose. One of the biggest mistakes that I did on the nose was thinking too much. Mouth, try to follow the expression of the eyes. It's extremely important for the expression to be like realistic, like you can trust that it's a real expression, not the character's faking it. The mouth is following the same as the eyes and eyebrows. Like here, I did not force it too much because the eyes are not forced. Body language can be a huge factor on it. Doing a lot of detailed hair with a lot of curvatures, with small locks, strands of hair, and big, huge locks of hair, just like this one here, okay? First, you work on the perspective, on the angle, proportion. Forget anything that you want to draw, like eyes, nose, mouth, forget it. And then after you get the right perspective, the thing that you really want, and then you can go and do the rest, okay? There's something that I do on all of my artworks, that is do a step only for fixing stuff, okay? Only a step for fixing. Let me show you right now. I just rotate my canvas and I saw some stuff that I didn't like. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fix that thing that I didn't like. Like, hey, I like the face a lot, I like the eye a lot, but I think this eye here could be thicker. Just saying, okay, it could be thicker. And I'm going to do it thicker. Yeah, I like it. I was going to say that I like it thick, but just please remove it from YouTube. Please forget it. I was truly referring to the... I'm not even going to try to explain myself. How many times have I been saying those type of stuff without noticing, and literally on the pure way, and then I notice, go like, oh, I said that. Yeah, you said that. I want you to do this eye a little bit bigger. Do you see? I did this eye a little bit bigger. And I feel like, hey, I like it. That makes me happy. That makes me feel happiness. Okay? Rotate a little bit, just a little bit. You gotta be careful. Careful. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it now. I like it. I love it. This is the only thing that I really wanted to change here. You can just go and do some strong lines in your artwork too. Don't forget that. That's another thing. On curves, on places that the light doesn't really touch. It's not really going there. And remember to close well your line art, okay? Close that well. So when you are drawing it, you're going to have a very good selection to work with. So, if this tutorial helped you, why not subscribe to this channel to have even more amazing art tutorials? We also have our game road packs on our Patreon if you're interested in finding even more adventures. And don't forget, try again, you are going to get there. Me, myself, I had a lot of trouble on doing those perfect enemy boys, and now I can draw them, but it took a lot of time and work, and you can do it, okay? You're an amazing champ, and I hope to see you in the next one.